Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the base enclosure, battery, hard disk drive, RTC battery, card reader board, fan, system board, subwoofer, audio USB board, DC-in power connector, display panel assembly, and display panel bezel. Remove the two thin 2mm P0 Phillips head screws, one in each hinge cover, that secure the hinge covers to the display panel assembly. Carefully slide the hinge covers off of the hinges and remove. Slide the hinge covers into position over the hinges and screw hole. Replace the two thin 2mm P0 Phillips head screws, one in each hinge cover, to secure the hinge covers to the display panel assembly.